Hello guys and welcome back here again on Mr. Benz YouTube channel. Today featuring the GLE53 AMG Coupe. And again, why? Because in my review I promised you all we will be taking this thing out for a drive. We will be doing a race start, some sporty drivings and also an Autobahn Run. But before we start, I just wanted to say thank you very much for all your support on this platform, and I see a few of you are still not subscribed to this YouTube channel. Guys, it's free. Please support our YouTube channel. You're really motivating me with your subscription and your likes, etc. So please keep that up. It's free, and if you don't like the content anymore, then just unsubscribe. So let's continue with the video. We will be taking this out for a ride. We will hop inside now and take it out for a spin. I hope you all enjoy this video, so let's go. So now we are inside the GLE53 AMG. We will start the driving now, but wait, there's something essential missing here on the shift pedals. Wait, let me get that fixed. 1 minute. Nice looking fire now with the additional shift pedal extension here by Petrolheads World. As you can see, these are available in several colors such as black, red, silver and blue, but these are my favorites since they suit the steering wheel frame color here. Can be installed with these little screws, as you can see, or with 3M tape. No damage to your stock shift pedals. I have the link in the description below. And if you want additional 10% off discount, AMG 10 is the code for your purchase. So let's do this. So now we will be heading to the German Autobahn. We are right in front of the entrance. Pushing it now, let's go. So that's it basically for today's video. As you hear, we have no more sound due to any regulations. Therefore, we are finishing it off right now. I hope you all enjoyed watching. How did you guys like the sound from the interior and the driving? There are more driving videos coming, so please subscribe to this channel and leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed. I'm going to answer to all of your comments. Already looking forward for more. I will be back